So when we talk about urban air mobility, that's a bit of a catch-all term to talk about a wave of disruptive vehicles that are appearing today. These vehicles are operating today. One of the biggest misconceptions is that this is aspirational. We think about dull, dirty, and dangerous missions that can be performed by these aircraft. And so think about rescues in very challenging regions where someone gets trapped or gets dehydrated and using these vehicles to rescue someone. Think about things like delivering medical supplies, critical medical supplies to hard-to-reach regions. Things folks like Zipline are doing in places like Rwanda today, where they deliver blood and medical supplies to hard-to-reach regions. Things like spraying crops, which is a notoriously dirty and dangerous job. There are a number of players today using these vehicles to do crop spraying in a much more efficient way, as well as protecting, the pilot from some of those impacts. And last but not least, firefighters using these vehicles not only to provide situational awareness of where the fire is spreading, but to also apply the fire retardant materials to places that are hard to reach. So that whole sort of what are the missions we can allow these vehicles to do that are today very dangerous for people, I think is very inspiring.